Most people get this wrong. They assume Bill.com is just another invoicing tool, but the surprising truth is that it's a full-featured accounts payable and receivable platform. Today, I'll share my full experience using it for small business management. Bill.com is designed for businesses that want to streamline payments, approvals, and cash flow management. You can send invoices, receive payments, schedule recurring bills, and integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Everything happens digitally, which reduces paperwork and manual errors. One of the biggest advantages is automation. You can set up workflows for invoice approvals, payment reminders, and client notifications. This saves a huge amount of time for small business owners and finance teams. The platform also supports ACH, credit card, and international payments, making it versatile for different clients and vendors. The setup is simple, but requires linking your bank account and connecting your accounting software. Once done, managing payments becomes much faster than traditional methods. You can even approve bills on the go using the mobile app. The surprising truth is that while Bill.com is powerful, the subscription cost can be higher than basic invoicing tools. But for businesses processing dozens or hundreds of transactions monthly, the time savings and reduced errors usually justify the cost. In conclusion, Bill.com is an excellent choice for small to medium businesses that want to automate payments, improve cash flow management, and reduce manual tasks. For smaller businesses with few transactions, a simpler solution might suffice. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business software and tools that save time and money.